Well, today I got to replace the radio antenna on my 2016 Chevy Silverado. Apparently somebody stole mine. I didn't even know it was gone until somebody told me about it, because I usually listen to XM radio, so it's off a satellite, so I didn't even know it. So this is an AC Delco, ordered off of Amazon. Here's a quick look at the ad. I just typed in my year, model, and pulled it up. It was $25 and some change, and this is how they shipped it. I mean, it's a pretty big box for just a little radio antenna, but I've already popped the top, so let's pull it out and see what it looks like. Well, I would say for that, they've packaged it real well. So got me a pair of scissors here. Let me cut it open. Well, that's what it looks like. Let's go put it on. All right, on the passenger side, right up here at the front, you'll see a hole right here with a threaded bolt on it. That's where we're going to screw it on. Of course, if you got an old one on there, you'll have to take it off, but not, it just screws right on. All right, what I'm going to use, I figure that's probably metric, so I just grabbed a little adjustable wrench, crescent wrench as I call them. All you do is just screw her right down on here like that till you feel it, finger it tight, and I'm going to just give it just a little bit. All right, I tightened her up just a little so somebody can't just walk by and take it off with their hands. Well, not much to that. I know that was simple, quick, right to the point, but if you've never done it, maybe this helps you out. If it did, give me a thumbs up. Next time, catch you later.